Hey guys, my name is Ivir.
And my name is Lovise.
And today we're filming our 8th vlog, I think. So we just went to our local Sunday market and we actually picked up something today. Just something small for our apartment. So we will show you a tiny unboxing from that. What are we doing later?
Today is called Midsommar.
It's pretty much like a midsummer type of party-ish type of thing. They're making like a huge fire. We're going there. You're gonna come along. What else are we gonna do this video?
You're going to talk about confidence in fashion.
I am. So we haven't really planned much yet, but that's kind of the charm of vlogging. You don't really know what you're gonna be up to. We'll see, but come along.
I'm going to do a quick unboxing from the Sunday market. As Iver said, we just bought something small. Something that we have been looking for a long time to add to the apartment. As you guys might have seen, we do have a espresso machine. So this is what we bought. So I think that Iver is gonna get the most use out of these. I don't really drink espresso at all. I don't like the bitter taste. Luckily I can make a latte, but I think they're cute. The outside has a matte finish and the inside is shiny, as you can see. I usually make him a double espresso, so I hope that it can fit inside. The reason for the weird shape of the plate is actually that you're supposed to have a chocolate or some kind of sweet bread with your espresso. Proper Italian way. But yeah, that was it for the unboxing. We're gonna make a quick dinner and then we're gonna go outside. See you soon. Okay, so we were gonna see the fire, but that was not a success at all because I don't know what happened. Maybe it fell over or something, but when we came, the fire department already had the...
They had to put the fire out. I think it fell over because the wind. There was quite a lot of wind today. And yeah, there was like a tiny fire explosion type of thing, which was kind of humorous. But yeah, we came like right as people were leaving.
Yeah. And usually the fire is up for several hours, like the whole night. So you thought that we had, that we would make it, but I guess not. The only thing that we saw was burned pieces. I was so excited to see the fire, but...
It reminded me of like an old war painting.
Yeah. So that was not a success.
So in our quite recent video about improving your style, one of you guys asked about confidence when it comes to fashion and how I obtained my confidence. We might make a video about it at some point, but I thought I could speak about it to a certain degree in this video as well. So confidence is probably the most important thing when it comes to style, and it is so in two different ways. The first one is the obvious one, and that is that if you are more confident, you will look better, and you'll also ooze of self-assurance, which is very attractive to many people. The other one is more connected to your fashion journey, and that is the fact that you need confidence to wear certain pieces outside of the house. Personally, I've definitely been born with more self-confidence and self-belief than most people have, but there are definitely ways that I have manually improved it as well. To build up the confidence to wear those wilder pieces, you definitely should take it in steps, so you shouldn't just go straight from looking like an NPC to looking like you belong at Fashion Week right away. Baby steps. What I'd say is add elements one at a time at a slower pace, so you're almost always outside of your comfort zone. Just a little bit, but always outside of it. Because you definitely want to stay outside of your comfort zone to build your confidence. If you always stay within it, you will always have that like doubt if you can wear something and you will never get to that next level. Also, I think confidence and self-belief comes from exactly that, self-belief. If you believe you can pull something off, chances are you can. It is down to the fact that you know that you can do something, right? Let's take basketball for an example. If you've spent twice as many hours in the gym practicing your jump shot than the other guy on the court, chances are you will be better, right? Also because you know that you can shoot, because you have spent those hours in the gym shooting jump shot after jump shot. You know what I mean? And the same goes with fashion. If you have spent more hours wearing wilder pieces than another guy, chances are you will be more comfortable in it and you look better. That's how it goes. Anyways, I hope this answered the question well. And if you have other questions, don't hesitate to send them to us. I hope we can have these conversations like this. I enjoy it a lot. I hope it helps for you guys. And yeah, back to the video.
So I'm gonna make dinner. I got really inspired by Hivnir ramen, so I'm gonna attempt to make my own ramen today. Ivor is just outside running. I've been to the gym. I did a leg workout today. Hopefully I can get the ramen done before he's back home. I'm not gonna follow any recipe today. I'm just gonna toss something that I know it's good. I'm gonna take you guys along for some of it, I think. So let's go. I bought a lot of stuff at the store. Peanut butter, red curry paste, lime, lemongrass, garlic, chili, shallots, some grounded beef, peanuts, obviously the noodles, some mushrooms, and I like to use coconut cream instead of coconut milk. That makes the dish a little bit more rich. And these ones, I don't know what they are called in English. And I'm also gonna be adding the ginger. I just forgot about it because it was laying in the shopping bag and I didn't notice. But I'm gonna cook this all together and let's see if I can make something good. I have just combined chili, shallots, garlic, mushrooms, and also the ginger as well. And I'm gonna make it to a paste and then fry it. Luckily I can make a latte with the espresso machine. With the espresso... Jag klarar att säga det.
Gucci glasses. Shut the fuck up, you don't have that.